Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Figure this out fast. The image is testing whether you can spot meiosis versus mitosis by watching exactly what separates and what that means. First, identify the stage shown. Homologous chromosomes are moving apart. So this is Anaphase 1, not metaphase, because the chromosomes are no longer lined up at the cell's middle. Next, notice the chromatids still stay together while whole homologous pairs separate, and the crossing over evidence fits meiosis, which means the chromosome number is being reduced. Nice, keep tracking that detail. That separation is the key idea, because Anaphase 1 reduces chromosome number by pulling homologous chromosomes to opposite sides, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given details, then check which structure separates before choosing.